Okay, next assessment, we're just gonna do a toe touch. All right. What your goal is to do on this one is to hinge at the hip. So this should be forward hinge. Do this as far, reach down as far as you can. And again, this is an assessment, so if there is any compensations or any tightness or imbalances that I notice, this is what the point is. So feel free to go ahead and just move as you naturally do, and this will help me assess what's going on. So, but the goal is to hinge at the hip, so the hips are falling forward. And we're just going to reach and touch your toes. Reach as far down as you can. And come on up. Do that 5 times.